Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to unfulfill order. What you have to do. On the left side you can see there are many tabs available here. So simply what we have to do, just you have to click on the orders button. So simply just click here. So currently I don't have any orders, so simply I'm gonna tell you how to unfulfill. Just you can see in draft option I have some orders. So simply open the any order here, and now here you can see my order is completed here, but I don't have payment, so I don't have add any payment method. So here you can remove all the sections, like you can remove the customer option, you can also remove the payment option, your cost name, you can image. So in this way you can unfulfill your complete order, and also you can replace it with new one. So this is the easy way to unfulfill your order on Shopify.